Welcome, today I'm showing you how to turn off Google Assistant option into a Realme 9 Pro. Firstly, open your Google application. Then on the bottom right corner we got more option. So tap it and now choose settings. Then go into Google Assistant and in this menu scroll down and find general option, this one. And first option, it's Google Assistant, so tap on the switcher to turn off. Confirm operation, click turn off one more time, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.